So one of the things that I've learned on my entrepreneurial journey is to enjoy the ride. You gotta work hard and you gotta play hard too. Don't get the two mixed up, because when you work from home, you can get things mixed up. So what you wanna do, you wanna create a schedule. You wanna make sure that you're taking time for yourself, for relaxation, but you gotta put in the work. You gotta work hard. You gotta do your webinars. You gotta generate those leads. You gotta hustle on Facebook. You gotta post on Instagram. You gotta create content. You gotta deliver value. You gotta do all this stuff, because at the end of the day, you cannot relax if your business is not thriving. So you should be making sales every single day in your business. You should be talking to people. You should be closing sales. You should be making deals so that you can enjoy your life too. That's what it's all about. It's about making money, multiplying your money, keeping your money, and enjoying your life, enjoying your freedom, because that's what you want. That's why I got into this industry. That's why I got into this business, so that I could have more freedom. Freedom to spend with my children. They're over there in the pool. I don't know if you guys can see them, but that's why I got into this industry, so that I can live my best life, so that I can enjoy all that life has to offer. Because without that, when I was stuck at my job, I was always regretting the fact that I couldn't be with my kids. Always. I was always regretting that. And I always wanted to be home with my kids, and I always wanted to make my own money. So if you are not where you want to be in your business right now, then you're going to want to attend my next webinar. You're going to want to get access to my next webinar. I'm going to show you how I make money on Facebook. I'm going to show you how you can do this stuff, just a couple hours a day. You don't have to, sacrifice your time. It won't interfere with anything you're doing right now. But if you're not generating leads and you're not making sales in your business right now, you're going to want to make some changes, because at the end of the day, you want to live your best life, right? I know I did. That's why I'm here. Here in the hot tub, here enjoying my life and enjoying my freedom, enjoying my children, and living life the way it's supposed to be lived. That's what it's all about. After all, that's what it's all about. It's about living your best life. So click the link that you see around this video. It's going to give you access to my free webinar. It's absolutely free. You're going to show up. I'm going to share with you some great tips on what I do on Facebook to make $100 to $900 a day and enjoy my life and enjoy my freedom. All right, my friends, I'm going to get back to enjoying this hot tub. It's so beautiful. And I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you on the webinar. Take care. Bye-bye.